Welcome. If you're looking to boost your job search and never miss a new opportunity, enabling job search notifications on LinkedIn is a must. With the latest LinkedIn update, it's easier than ever to get notified as soon as jobs matching your interests are posted. Here's how you can set it up on your PC in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This brings up a menu with several options related to your profile and account. From this menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see a list of categories on the left. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts and updates you receive from LinkedIn. Now, scroll down or look for the section labeled Searching for a Job. Click on it to access job-specific notification settings. Here, you'll find the option to allow job search notifications. Simply toggle this setting on. By enabling this feature, you're allowing LinkedIn to send you real-time notifications whenever new job postings match your criteria. These alerts can be delivered via email, in-app notifications, or both, depending on your preferences. This means you'll be among the first to know about new opportunities, giving you a valuable edge in the application process. Remember, staying proactive is key in today's competitive job market. With job search notifications enabled, you don't have to manually check for new postings every day. LinkedIn will do the work for you, ensuring you never miss out on roles that fit your career goals. That's all it takes. Take a moment to set up your notifications and let LinkedIn help you stay ahead in your job search. Good luck and happy job hunting.